What's up guys, it's James here. I know so many of you out there are struggling right now, working dead-end jobs, living paycheck to paycheck, while your friends seem to be balling out, living their best lives on Instagram. It's a kick in the gut every time, isn't it? Seeing those exotic vacation pics, watching them buy the latest gadgets without a second thought, out living it up while you're at home eating ramen. Again, deep down, you're sick of it. Sick and tired of being the broke friend, of delaying your dreams and compromising your lifestyle because you can't seem to get ahead. You're at your breaking point, wondering if you're just destined to be a failure to self. Well, I'm here to tell you, that doesn't have to be your story anymore. You may feel like you've fallen behind, like the game is rigged against you, but I'm living proof that you can gain control of your finances and turn it all around, even starting from scratch in your 20s. And I'm not talking about get-rich-quick BS or dumb luck. I mean a systematic, concrete blueprint to build real wealth through making the right moves over the next few years. Moves that will allow you to go from dead broke to prosperous before you know it. It won't be easy. Nothing worth having ever is. You'll have to get uncomfortable, grind when others aren't grinding, and stay hyper-disciplined through the ups and downs. But if you're willing to put in that work, while most of your peers are just chasing the latest shiny object, you can realistically be prospering at a whole other level in just a few years' time. So if you're finally ready to stop feeling like a failure, ready to go all in on building the wealth and freedom you deserve, keep watching, because I'm going to give you a 6-step blueprint to get you out of the ramen noodle struggle and into that abundant life you crave. Step 1. Be selective with your influences. Let's face it, there's a lot of people out there who will tell you things like, live it up while you're young, or that getting rich is just about going to college and getting a good job. While that advice may be well-intentioned, the reality is quite different. If you want to build real wealth, you have to go against what most people are doing and listen to those who have actually achieved financial success. Not just the talkers, but the doers. Step 2. Build your credit score. One of the first concrete steps in building a life of abundance is to focus on building your credit score. I know it seems like just a random number, but those 3 digits impact so much: your ability to get loans, credit cards, apartments, even certain jobs. So make improving your credit a priority right from the start. Get a starter card, use it responsibly, and monitor your score over time using free tools. Building good credit unlocks opportunities, so it's worth the effort. Step 3. Strategically gain career experience. But let's be honest, credit alone won't make you rich. To really build wealth, you need to be strategic about gaining valuable career experience and skills that you can leverage into higher earnings over time. Don't just take any job. Seek out opportunities that build your skills base, even if it means working for free at first. The experience you get now will pay dividends down the road that far exceed any small income in the moment. Before going to step number 4, if you found the video helpful so far, give it a like and share it with your best friend who you want to grow with. Now, let's go to the next step. Step 4. Consider scalable businesses. Once you have a solid foundation, if your goal is to make really big money, over $500,000 per year, you'll likely need to start your own scalable business rather than rely solely on a traditional job. Get sales experience or find ways to develop income streams not limited by trading hours for dollars. The possibilities are endless when you make that mental shift. Step 5. Avoid lifestyle inflation. No matter what path you decide to take though, avoid lifestyle inflation at all costs. It's so easy to upgrade your lifestyle each time you start making more money. But don't do it. Stay well below your means and immediately invest the difference. Take advantage of accounts like Roth IRAs to earn decades of sweet compound interest. Just investing $500 per month in your 20s can grow into millions. Step 6. Stay disciplined. Look, building real wealth takes discipline, sacrifice, and consistent effort over years. There's no way around that. But I promise you, if you stay dedicated to increasing your income, living frugally, investing aggressively, and developing valuable skills, you can set yourself up for an incredible financial future, way sooner than you ever imagined. It won't be easy, but these precious years in your 20s are the time to put in the work. If you can make the most of them, you'll be well on your way to true prosperity before you know it. To summarize, here's your 6-step checklist. Be selective with your influences. Build your credit score. Strategically gain career experience. Consider scalable businesses. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Stay disciplined. So, there you have it, the 6-step blueprint any 25-year-old can use to realistically get rich. Implement these steps into your life starting today, and you'll be light years ahead of your peers in no time. The path isn't easy, but it's very doable if you're willing to make the commitment. Hope this video was helpful. So that's it from me for today. See you in the next one.